Hi everyone, and a special hello to you for watching this video. Okay, this is just a quick update of what I have in mind for my bar area. I've got this little wooden box that I don't know, I think it was maybe some other kind of for present, maybe perfume or something that was in there, hand cream, I don't know, I can't remember. But this is actually the right height and the right length for the bar counter. It's just a little bit too wide. So my husband is going to help me to cut it smaller. That's definitely my bar counter. And for where the holes is here, I'm gonna just use this box. I'm gonna spray it silver so it can look like zinc. I can't remember the other word for that, but yeah, something like that. And then for my bar stools, I made this long time ago. It was also from a perfume that came in a round casing like this, so I used this for the bar stools. I actually started making this for my kitchenette stools, but I said no, it's not going to work. So my husband's also going to help me, which is a thick we call it blue wire, but thick wire that I'm gonna make the legs with this. I'm obviously gonna spray it silver or black, I will still decide. And yeah, this is maybe I will use this in front of the bar, I'm not sure. And then of course this is was like this copper bangles, one of my husband's that he doesn't wear, so I'm gonna use that. I want to use that for in front of the bar counter. You can see there. And yeah, this is all the stuff lying here for I'm going to put racks against the wall here. So this is what I have in mind using there, all the stuff. I'm going to burn with my husband's heat can. I'm going to burn all the wood so it can just, I don't want it so light, I want it darker, and I don't want to paint it. And yeah, so I'm just going to burn it like that. And yeah, this is all the stuff that I may use. But yeah, this is how my place still looks like, still after I made a the built-in wall unit and the couch and stuff. And then of course I sort out stuff that I wanted to use maybe in the bar area. So this is how my place is looking. So I think I must first do a bit of a cleanup before I start with this project. I can't wait to start with it, but yeah, I must do a cleanup first. I mean, look, yeah, it's terrible, but yeah, that is how the place is looking when I'm working. At least my house is tidy. That's not in a shambles, but yeah, can't say that for the rest. But yeah, that was just a quick update. So I'm going to let my husband help me with that stuff to cut it and burn all the wood I want to burn. I also want to burn that. I'm still struggling with my bar counter. I don't know if I want to use this. It's like for those books, but it's like leather. So like for a leather bar counter, I can't decide between that, or maybe I must use cardboard and cover it with this sticky paper or whatever. Maybe cover it with that. I don't know. I can't think of which one I must use. But yeah, I want a bar counter that's not the same as the bar itself. So yeah, maybe you can help me with that. I just really don't know which one to use between these two. So before I start with that, I'm just going to do a bit of a cleanup here. So you're welcome to stay. It's going to be in time lapse like always. And then, like I said, it was just a quick video this year. So just be patient. The bar is coming. Obviously you will see it in the next video. So yeah, until the next video. Bye.